On today's episode, a special note from your chef, Wil. Lei home everyone, I'm Wil Yeung. Thank you so much for an incredible year full of fun and, of course, full of cooking. We're almost at 13,000 subscribers, which is absolutely incredible because I picture it as me being in a room with 13,000 people watching me make ramen, and that's a lot of people watching me make ramen, so thank you very much. I thought it would be nice to note that on screen it looks like I cook really well and really fast, but I constantly off-screen have failed recipes. In fact, I've had episodes where I've completely filmed and completely edited just to find after the fact that something doesn't look right or the recipe just wasn't good enough or up to standard. So I completely end up scrapping those episodes, and it does feel like a waste of time, but I really believe how you do anything is how you do everything. Always remember not to have failed recipes get you down. You never know unless you try, and you should be proud that you took action and tried something new. Albert Einstein would say that 100 failed experiments doesn't necessarily mean 100 failures. It just means you found or discovered 100 ways of how not to do something. This Christmas, I'm looking forward to enjoying some time with company and just soaking in some desserts and some tea. Let me know in the comments below what you're looking forward to this Christmas season, and definitely remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next episode. Now you can enjoy your holiday season with absolute confidence.